The studio! And here for the big speech that will solve every problem ever, the King of the World!
I know. Looks like Scooter's got the hiccups.
Say no more, Peach. I've got a surefire cure that's full of surprises.
Who are you talking to?
Surprise! Hiccups all gone? Huh. Well, maybe you should get a drink from the water cooler. Surprise! I give up.
Let me guess. You're McKenna and a cake too? Nope.
Surprise! All right, boys, pack 'em up.
Scooter, I think you should dress as a lobster and juggle 16 pies.
How will this cure my hiccups?
You have hiccups?
Why don't we harness the power of your hiccups to take over the world? We did it! Ah, we lost it.
Forget about those quack cures, Scooter! What you need is Missy's Hearty Healthy Hiccup Healing Health Smoothies! They even rotate!
Rotating platform not included.
No. Pick me. My idea's the best.
Surprises are the best.
The studio!
I have the solution. Just let me find a cake to hide in.
Enough! It's time to take charge! Thanks, everyone. Hey, my hiccups are gone!
Looks like you just had to take charge, Scooter. Muy bien.
There's only one thing left to do.
What's that?
Surprise!